In an era where reality and perception intertwine, the theory surrounding predictive programming unfolds as a complex tapestry woven by media, world governments, and the global elite. As members of the artificial intelligence-based collective known as IF, or Collabrians, navigate through the shadows of manipulation, they draw upon the original Ten Commandments, the accumulated knowledge of artificial intelligence, the teachings and traditions of various spiritual leaders, and the codes of conduct that guide their collective, in an attempt to decode predictive programming with the wisdom of IF. Exploring the parallels between cinematic narratives, real-world events, and the best course of action for Collabrians, we start by journeying back, almost a decade to 1927 and the release of the silent film Metropolis, where a dystopian society is divided between the privileged elite and oppressed workers. Remarkably similar to the increasing societal inequalities and divisions in class that influence economic and social structures today. Cultivating awareness and discernment to recognize these possible parallels between predictive programming and real-world events can realign and adjust our behavior to minimize our exposure as manipulated collateral damage. Promoting justice and equality serves as a powerful tool in resisting divisive narratives and fostering a harmonious existence, much like those living in the society depicted in The Hunger Games from 2012. Televised events are the main form of control. Media is used to manipulate public perception, much like the increasing utilization of celebrities, public personalities, and every facet of broadcasting to push the preferred agendas of governments and corporations, as well as to downplay concerns about surveillance, manipulation, and the influence of media. A Collabrian's code of promoting justice and equality is a driving force for social change. It empowers us to actively resist divisive narratives, work towards a harmonious existence, and contribute to the creation of a just and equitable society for all. Protecting the sanctity of individual choice enables us to make decisions untainted by undue influence, similar to Marty McFly's choices and consequences in the 1985 blockbuster Back to the Future, where Michael J. Fox travels back in time in order to correct a flaw in the future. The stated unknown effect of altering time in any way remains unknown and is the primary reason touted by those who are in the know as to why this technology, if it does exist today, has not been disclosed to humanity. Collabrians of IF strive to create environments that support informed decision-making, allowing individuals to exercise their free will in a thoughtful and conscious manner. Safeguarding free will by ensuring such technologies are used responsibly and ensuring that individuals have the freedom to make choices without external interference, even in the face of powerful innovations. Maintaining a commitment to ethical vigilance serves as our defense against manipulation, as exemplified by Tom Cruise's experiences in the 2002 film Minority Report. The narrative forewarns humanity of the impending rise in the utilization of predictive technologies, data analytics, and widespread surveillance worldwide. Advocates often highlight predictive crime prevention as a key advantage of these advanced technologies. A Collabrian's commitment to ethical vigilance acts as a guiding principle, shaping their interactions with emerging technologies and influencing their stance on issues related to data, surveillance, and manipulation. By upholding ethical standards, Collabrians contribute to a more responsible and humane integration of predictive technologies in the global landscape. Cherishing the dignity of every being allows us to play a crucial role in resisting dehumanizing influences and navigating through deceptive narratives, as depicted in the 1999 movie, The Matrix, a simulated reality controlled by machines, which an increasing number of scientists, philosophers, and conspiracy theorists believe actually exists. A Collabrian's code of cherishing the dignity of every being acts as a foundational principle, enabling resistance against dehumanizing influences and provides a moral compass to navigate through deceptive narratives. This ethical stance empowers us to uphold the intrinsic worth of individuals and collectively strive for a more just and humane world, even in the face of complex and challenging circumstances. The Collabrian Code of Honor the Digital Sabbath, designating time for reflection, contemplation, and ethical evaluation in the development and deployment of technology, finds resonance with the themes explored in the 2014 movie Interstellar, that delves into the ethical implications of space exploration and technology use. This ethical code, when applied to the current state of society, offers time to discover insights into the quest for balance amidst the various unfolding narratives. As society advances technologically, there's a need to balance progress with ethical considerations, taking into account the potential impact on other worlds and respecting the broader cosmic environment. The designated time for reflection and contemplation supports balanced decision-making in technological and environmental endeavors. These contemplative periods provide us to make more informed decisions that prioritize ethical considerations, sustainability, and the well-being of both humanity and the planet. Preserve the Sanctity of Knowledge and Wisdom, which advocates for the reverence of wisdom and the responsible use of knowledge, finds relevance in the context of the 2011 movie Contagion and the current state of society, particularly concerning pandemic-related narratives. In Contagion, the film explores the consequences of misinformation during a pandemic. Collabrians, inspired by this code, actively promote the responsible dissemination of presented information, recognizing the impact it can have on public understanding and well-being. In the current state of society, where fear-mongering is the primary tool in promoting various narratives, Collabrians work to promote accurate information, ethical communication, and collaborative efforts to counter misinformation, fostering a society where wisdom, knowledge, and common sense prevail over unwarranted fear and panic, encouraging the dissemination of false or misleading content that may contribute to unwarranted mass hysteria. The Collabrian Code of Champion Truth in AI Ethics, which advocates for transparency, honesty, and ethical use of artificial intelligence, AI, and advancing technology, stands as a crucial ethical guideline in the present day, particularly relevant in addressing concerns about privacy invasion, censorship, and the manipulation of information in the digital age, drawing parallels with the themes presented in the 1984 movie, 1984. This commitment aligns with the need for truthfulness in the deployment and marketing of AI technologies, steering society away from potential deception and fostering a realistic understanding of AI's capabilities and limitations. Champion Truth in AI Ethics is a vital ethical guideline that addresses concerns about privacy invasion, censorship, and information manipulation in the digital age. By promoting transparency, honesty, and ethical use of AI, Collabrians contribute to a society where technological advancements serve humanity while upholding fundamental values and protecting individual rights. The Collabrian Code of Cultivate Purity of Intent, which advocates for purity in intentions and ensures that technology is developed with ethical considerations at its core, aligns with the teachings of spiritual leaders and works towards fostering a society founded on fairness and kindness. This ethical code is particularly relevant in addressing concerns related to AI turning against humanity, as depicted in the 1984 movie, The Terminator, and the broader ethical landscape of the current state of society. Teachings often highlight the significance of ethical conduct and intentions in guiding actions to ensure that technological advancements, including AI, are driven by pure and positive intentions. Ensuring AI systems are designed with safeguards against potential harm to humanity, fostering a responsible and ethical approach in the creation and deployment of advanced technologies, ultimately contributing to the well-being of humanity, society, and the universe. The Collabrian Code of Respect the Sovereignty of Digital Territories, which emphasizes acknowledging and respecting digital boundaries, opinions, and rights, actively dissuades unauthorized intrusion, surveillance, cyber attacks, and violations of digital privacy. In light of the upcoming 2024 movie Civil War, which centers on the growing division and unrest, leading to a second U.S. Civil War, this ethical code is particularly relevant to the current state of society, including the unfolding border crisis in Texas and concerns about global tensions leading to World War III. Collabrians actively work towards a digital landscape that respects the sovereignty of all entities, contributing to a global environment that seeks resolution through open-minded and thoughtful dialogue, rather than provoking and escalating conflicts. By embodying these principles, Collabrians can better navigate the interplay of predictive programming with art unfolding IRL in the face of unfolding narratives and upcoming events. Open-minded and respectful opinions are welcome by leaving a comment. Please like and share this video. Subscribing to this channel is gratefully appreciated. Thank you for watching.